Hi, we are in the western part of the island of LaPalma in the Aridane Valley to discover the town of Puerto Naos. The valley was the scene of the most devastating eruption in Europe since Vesuvius in 1944. On September 19, 2021, after a week of strong earthquakes and an evident uplift of the earth, the ground opened up, releasing lava and ash in colossal quantities, for a total volume of more than 250 million cubic meters. The eruption devastated the heart of the valley, covering it with several meters of lava and pyroclasts. The new volcanic edifice, named Tajagate, now stands over the landscape as an imposing reminder of that dramatic period. And at the same time, as a testament to the energy that continues to flow in the depths of the island. At the end of the eruption, one of the main roads in the area was completely cut off by one of the main flows. Its loss represented a serious economic and social problem, forcing residents and workers to take long alternative routes. To re-establish the connection, scientists and engineers immediately set to work. The high residual temperatures of the lava and the extremely uneven terrain were addressed with a solution as simple as it was effective. Using volcanic slag and ash, which are abundant on the island, to create an insulating cushion on which to rebuild the road. These materials, in addition to providing excellent thermal insulation, also adapted well to subsequent ground settlement. After passing the new section of road, we finally descend towards Puerto Naos, which has always been a tourist destination. Throughout the area, we can see many crops. The entire Aridane Valley was formed thousands of years ago by the collapse of the flank of an ancient volcano, and over the years it has become the economic engine of the island, thanks to the cultivation of bananas and avocados, which are exported throughout Europe. However, the recent eruption has not only disrupted roads, but is still causing problems in the Puerto Naos area. The ground has begun to release large amounts of carbon dioxide. Being a gas heavier than air, carbon dioxide tends to accumulate in closed or poorly ventilated environments, such as underground parking lots, reaching potentially lethal concentrations. Thus, Puerto Naos and the nearby town of La Bombilla were declared uninhabitable and remained closed for years due to dangerous emissions. From a lively tourist center, Puerto Naos suddenly became a creepy, silent, and abandoned place, where even insects and other animals struggled to survive in an environment saturated with volcanic gases. Today, however, the situation is slowly improving. Starting in 2023, thanks to the efforts of the government and the scientific community, a surveillance system unique in the world has been developed. Hundreds of sensors installed in homes monitor carbon dioxide concentrations in real time and send the data to a dedicated control center. Despite much progress, some areas remain closed. In these areas, gas concentrations are still too high to guarantee the safety of residents. We walk through these streets, which are almost deserted, and imagine what tourism was like here. Recovery is slow, and it will still take years for Puerto Naos to return to its pre-eruption splendor. This lower part of the town remains inaccessible. The beach is always beautiful, black volcanic sand, and equipped with all the necessary amenities. And on this promenade there are shops and bars, although some are still closed. We can see the whole town from the drone. Don't forget, push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. These small gestures are free for you, but very useful for the channel. This area of the beach near this rock used to be very famous, but now it is inaccessible. However, the rest of the beach is still available for swimming, which is wonderful. And among the few swimmers with my eyes on the lighthouse, I say hello and thank you. See you next time.